Do you want to shoot images like these?
one cigarette will cost you 20 rupees, which is going to kill you. But you can join.
The game is very much evenly poised. RI-BHOI goalkeeper collects the ball. The ball is in the position of East KHASI Hills. RI-BHOI defender could not clear the ball. Ball still in the position of East KHASI Hills, but in vain. The ball is again in the position of East KHASI Hills. Good move, but could not reach the ball, and the goalkeeper of RI-BHOI collected it well. The match is very much evenly poised at this stage. A very good move by KHASI Hills, but they could. Throw in for RI-BHOI. Could not collect the ball cleanly, but again the ball is in the positions of RI-BHOI. It seems the RI-BHOI defenders are very good, very strong. They're thwarting any move by KHASI Hills in their D area. Throw in for RI-BHOI. The ball goes out of the play. This throw in for East KHASI Hills. It's a good move, but in vain. RI-BHOI goalkeeper collects the ball neatly. So far, no goal post has been challenged. Game is evenly poised. KHASI is throw in, but RI-BHOI player collects the ball, moves forward. Ball goes out. It will be a goal kick. This was the first attempt at goal, but in vain. First attempt at the goal of RI-BHOI thwarted by the goalkeeper. The ball is still in the D area of RI-BHOI. Cleared. So the ball is placed for a goal kick now. RI-BHOI defender taking the goal kick. Unfortunately, the ball is collected by East KHASI Hills player, but cleared by the RI-BHOI defense. Still, the ball is in the position of East KHASI Hills. Good move. So they've entered the D box and okay. Cleanly collected by the goalkeeper of RI-BHOI, Nibani Maring. Throw in for East KHASI Hills. Maybe the throw was taken wrongly. So throw in for RI-BHOI. Is KHASI Hills advancing? The ball is in RI-BHOI D box. Good move by KHASI Hills player. The ball still is in RI-BHOI area. Good shot taken by East KHASI Hills, but again Nibani Maring, the goalkeeper of RI-BHOI, collecting the ball very neatly. The game is taking up momentum now. Throw in for East KHASI Hills, collected by RI-BHOI district player. The ball goes out again. Another throw in for East KHASI Hills. Throw in for RI-BHOI. RI-BHOI now advancing, but the ball goes out of play. Referee whistles for a foul against RI-BHOI. In fact, the foul is against East KHASI Hills, and RI-BHOI is taking the free kick. It was a good shot in the D, but unfortunately, so it's a melee going on in the D box of East KHASI Hills, but everything goes in vain as the ball was kicked high by the RI-BHOI player. Goal kick taken by East KHASI Hills. So it's a foul by East KHASI Hills player. Free kick for RI-BHOI. Good kick, but then RI-BHOI has an opportunity, but well thwarted by East KHASI Hills. Ball in the position of RI-BHOI. Good dribbling skill shown by the RI-BHOI player, but unfortunately the ball is lost. East KHASI Hills player takes a good shot in the RI-BHOI side, but then RI-BHOI defense looks solid. Ball in position of the East KHASI Hills. They are advancing, but again the RI-BHOI defense is very strong. They are thwarting all attempts by East KHASI Hills, not allowing them in their D. The ball goes out of the play. East KHASI Hills will get a throw-in. Now the game is picking up the momentum. So the ball is in the position of the RI-BHOI, but the haywire shot. So it will be goal kick for East KHASI Hills. RI-BHOI throw in. Given a handball against RI-BHOI. So it will be free kick for East KHASI Hills. So RI-BHOI is advancing with the ball. Good tackle by East KHASI's defender. Throw in for RI-BHOI district. Both the teams look equally good. Only a few attempts have been made in both the goals. The ball is in position of East KHASI's. Again, they are forwarding. Good kick taken by East KHASI's player, but again the RI-BHOI defense is very solid. The ball is cleared. It's a throw-in for East KHASI Hills. East KHASI Hills throw-in. Again the ball is cleared by RI-BHOI defense, and RI-BHOI is in now the position of the ball. Good ball for RI-BHOI. It's a dangerous moment, but yellow card has been shown to the East KHASI Hills player for a deliberate foul. So it will be free kick taken by RI-BHOI. Clear attempt to the goal. It was a good shot, but over the bars. Ball in the position of East KHASI Hills. No players, no forward was there. So the RI-BHOI goalkeeper clears the ball. The ball is in again the position of East KHASI Hills. They're moving ahead. Good move. Again intercepted by the RI-BHOI defense. RI-BHOI defense looks very good. Again in the D box of the RI-BHOI district. Dangerous position. Oh, very weak shot. It was a shot at the goal, but RI-BHOI goalkeeper Nibani Maring collects the ball. Ball goes out of the play. Ball in the position of East KHASI Hills. It's a goal kick for RI-BHOI. Very weak kick collected by East KHASI Hills. Still danger in the RI-BHOI goal. D box. Ball cleared somehow. Again in the position of East KHASI Hills. So the referee signaled for the half time. So far the match is evenly poised. No team scored any goals. Few attempts were made at both the goals. It seems both the teams are playing with great spirit and full of vigor. So we will come again when the game resumes. we have the Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Sri Thomas A. Sangmaji, MLA North Tura, who is witnessing this beautiful football final today. He is enjoying with his family and friends in this beautiful stadium, P.A. Sangma Stadium, which is a very beautiful one in a very beautiful location. Good enthusiastic crowd braving the chill, witnessing this football finals out here in MP Stadium, P.A. Sangma Stadium. The match that is being played this moment here is the final of girls under 18 between RI-BHOI district and Baishaluk Lang Nongbet, Balabet Khongset, Balabyang Khongset, Angelus Mary Rinthathiang, Ibadundor Nongbet, and their manager is Rebilda Rinja, and their head coach Mikishon Rani. And the teams from RI-BHOI districts, Nibani Maring, Kundro Sila, Wanrobok Lapang, Rimafi Lapang, Wanri Bidang Makri, Shemlang Tongni, Diamond Makro, Rimika Kongkai, Susimeri Lingdo Penlang, Jemaya Sila, Rolinda Ingti, Iba Shila, Bawan Shwa Mujat, Samafi Sankle, Iba Strongkai Lapang, and their manager is Wanmei Shisha Kharpar, head coach Mbok Shadab. So, our next up is going to start. All the players are ready in the ground. RI-BHOI will kick the next up. They will kick start the next up. So the whistle goes and the play resumes. Good shot was taken but defended by East KHASI Hills defense. Now the ball in position of East KHASI Hills. Their moving forward, but unfortunately the ball was intercepted by RI-BHOI. But some injuries in the field. A RI-BHOI player is down. Nothing serious. Free kick given to RI-BHOI. RI-BHOI will take the free kick. Good kick by the left footer. Ball in position of East KHASI Hills. But again they lost the possession. Now the ball is with RI-BHOI. They are advancing. Good move. The ball is in East KHASI Hills D. Still in the position of RI-BHOI. Everything goes in vain because no forward was there. Ball is collected by East KHASI Hills goalkeeper. No goals scored as yet by any side. The ball goes out of the play. It's a throw-in for East KHASI Hills. Throw-in taken. The ball is in position of RI-BHOI again. Lost the position to East KHASI Hills. It seems that the ball is playing ping pong between both the teams. Losing positions very quickly. Now the ball is with East KHASI Hill. They are advancing. A very good move into the D, but a very meek shot. A very good move undone by the meek shot. Again the ball is in the position of East KHASI Hills. Lost the position to RI-BHOI. Again to East KHASI Hills. No team is keeping the ball with them for long. The ball is playing ping pong between both the teams. It's a foul against East KHASI Hills. So East KHASI Hills will get a free kick just outside the D box. So it may be dangerous for RI-BHOI. The free kick will be taken by East KHASI Hills. Took the kick. Good kick it was. But all in vain. A beautiful save by RI-BHOI goalkeeper. It seems he developed some injury. It was a dangerous moment for RI-BHOI, but for the goalkeeper. Ball is in with East KHASI Hills. Again they have the positions moving forward. Again a good ball, but no, they lost the position again. So again they regain the position. East KHASI Hills showing good game this time, this half. Good move. It will be a goal kick. Goal kick taken by RI-BHOI. It will be a throw-in for RI-BHOI. So throw-in taken by the RI-BHOI player. Both the side looks, they are not keeping the position for long, losing positions very frequently. Free kick taken by East Khasi Hills. The ball is in the position of East Khasi Hills. Good kick forward, but again the ball cleared by RI-BHOI defense. Now the position is with RI-BHOI. Forwarding, marching forward. Good move by RI-BHOI player, but 1-2, so it's a foul by number 16 of East Khasi Hills. It's a deliberate push. The player is lying on the ground. The free kick will be taken by RI-BHOI. It can be very tricky. A very weak kick. They wasted a good opportunity by RI-BHOI. Good opportunity by RI-BHOI. Ball again in the position of East Khasi Hills. The ball goes out of the play. Throw in by East Khasi Hills. Again ball goes out of the play. Again next throw in by East Khasi Hills. Good clearance by RI-BHOI defender. The ball is with RI-BHOI, but then again another opportunity wasted. It seems no team is capable of keeping positions for long. They are losing positions very frequently. Ball is in East Khasi Hills near the D box. Again East Khasi Hills lost the position. Losing the positions very quickly. Ball goes out. So it will be a throw-in for RI-BHOI. Throw in for East Khasi Hills. Ball in the positions of East Khasi Hills. They are taking the ball forward. Again losing the position. A wild kick by KHASI Hills. The ball goes out of the play. Throw in for RI-BHOI. Good throw in to their own player. The match is still at 0-0. No goals have been scored so far. The match is very much evenly poised. Free kick for East KHASI Hills. Taken. The ball is in RI-BHOI D. Again, good interception by the RI-BHOI defenders. Shot at the goal, but it was straight to the goalkeeper shot. So no problem in collecting. It's the battle between East KHASI Hills forwards and RI-BHOI defenders. The ball is in the position of East KHASI Hills, making a good move. Ball forwarded, but again thwarted by the defender of RI-BHOI. Now vying for the ball. In the position of East KHASI Hills. The RI-BHOI defense is as good as the East KHASI Hills forwards. Opportunity for East KHASI Hills. Again, the good move was thwarted by RI-BHOI district. So again, the ball is with East KHASI Hills. Good move by the forwards, unfortunately intercepted by the RI-BHOI defense once again. Now it seems East KHASI Hills is more asserting now. They are mounting various attacks at the RI-BHOI goal. Again, the ball position is with East KHASI Hills, losing to RI-BHOI. The ball is with RI-BHOI forward now. Moving forward with the ball. And the shot taken. Still the ball is with RI-BHOI. The ball goes out of the play. So it will be throw-in in favor of RI-BHOI. It's a good move by RI-BHOI, but cleared by East KHASI Hills defense. Again, the ball goes out of the line. It's a throw-in. Again for RI-BHOI. The ball is with RI-BHOI, and oh, it was a good attempt by RI-BHOI, thwarted by East KHASI Hills goalkeeper. A brilliant save. A brilliant save by East KHASI Hills goalkeeper. So the ball is with RI-BHOI, but it was a beautiful clearance by East KHASI Hills girls. Again, the ball is with East KHASI Hills. Good pass. They crossed the half line. No. Again, a wasted move. The game is being played at a very fast pace. So, the main referee for this match is Badbita Bare, supported by Lisa Mukti, Shidalin Marshallong, and the fourth official is Pipil Morish Wanyang. Ball with his KHASI Hills. Again lost, and the ball went to the RI-BHOI district player. The ball goes out of the play. It will be a throw-in for his KHASI Hills. It's a throw-in for East KHASI Hills. Good header by the defender. Ball cleared out of the danger zone. Now they're vying for the ball, and a good dribble by RI-BHOI. So again the ball goes out of the play. It will be a throw-in for RI-BHOI. The match is being played in a very fast pace, but no team has made any inroads and no goal has been scored as yet. Throw in for his KHASI Hills. It seems a foul has been given against RI-BHOI. It will be a free kick for East KHASI Hills. So the ball is cleared by RI-BHOI defender. Throw in for East KHASI Hills. Still the ball is with East KHASI Hills player. They are vying for the ball. Lost the control. Lost the possession. Again regain, and it was a meek, aimless shot towards RI-BHOI goal. Well collected by the goalkeeper. East KHASI Hills has made several attempts at RI-BHOI goal, but then RI-BHOI defenders look very solid. Still in the danger zone for RI-BHOI. It seems some player got injured, lying on the ground. One player each from both the teams, which resulted from a collision between them. It's good that there's no any serious injuries. Both the players are up again. Now again the ball is in the RI-BHOI. Again a good save by RI-BHOI goalkeeper. The ball is in the position of East KHASI Hills. Good dribbling skill shown by number 12 of East KHASI Hills, but in vain. The ball is again with East KHASI Hills position, cleared by defender. So in the East KHASI Hills goal side, but the RI-BHOI player lost the position again and the ball has been cleared. A good shot was taken by the RI-BHOI player. Finding no player there, again headed back by East KHASI Hills defender. The ball is well cleared. The game has been stopped by the referee. Our RI-BHOI player is on the ground with some thigh injury. It seems the injury is grave. Their medical team has rushed into the ground, attending to the injured player. It seems the player developed some injury in the right thigh. The ball kicked by the RI-BHOI player. Again losing the position. This has been the summary of this game so far. Losing the possession, no team is able to keep the ball within themselves or make a smart move. Again, the RI-BHOI defenders coming good. Thwarting any move by East KHASI Hills. Again the ball is with East KHASI Hills. A good kick taken into the... Good save by the goalkeeper of RI-BHOI again. So, the player is even taking the help of her hands to stop the ball, and a handball is given against East KHASI Hills. The free kick will be taken by the RI-BHOI. Straight to the East KHASI Hills player. Now regaining the possession of the ball. Good move by East KHASI Hills. But well saved by the RI-BHOI defenders. It will be a throw-in for East KHASI Hills. One more attempt at RI-BHOI goal side, but all in vain. Again the ball is cleared by the RI-BHOI defender. Oh, what a golden opportunity for East KHASI Hills. Made a mess of it. There was only the goalkeeper to defend to, and the ball was kicked wild, way over the center bar of the goal. This was the best moment of this match, which the East KHASI Hills missed. Good ball by RI-BHOI district player, but this move was thwarted by East KHASI Hills players. The ball is still with the RI-BHOI players, but they lost the position once again. This has been the summary of this match, losing the possession of the ball frequently, very frequently. The ball is just playing ping pong from East KHASI Hills district to RI-BHOI district. Again the ball position regained by East KHASI Hills. Made a good move. Again the RI-BHOI defense came good. Once again the ball is with East KHASI Hills. Shot taken. A foul has been given against the RI-BHOI player. This can be very tricky. The shot will be taken by the East Khasi Hills district. The shot has been taken. It's a direct shot and straight to the goalkeeper. Nibani Maring has shown tremendous potential with her beautiful goalkeeping. The ball goes out of the play. East Khasi Hills will have a throw-in. Throw-in has been taken. Back to the East Khasi Hills. Ball position again goes back to the R-I-BHOI. Back to the East Khasi Hills again. And the ball goes out of the play. It will be throw-in. Throw-in has been taken. A good shot at the D box. Again, the R-I-BHOI district defense came so good. They cleared the ball of the outer, the danger zone. The ball in the position of R-I-BHOI district. The ball is with East Khasi Hills again moving forward. Good move. But well cleared by the defense of R-I-BHOI. The ball goes out of the play. It will be a throw-in for East Khasi Hills. Number 10 will take the throw-in. The R-I-BHOI player is advancing with the ball towards East Khasi Hills goals, but intercepted, and the ball goes out of the play again. It will be a throw-in for R-I-BHOI district. Again, one more throw-in for East Khasi Hills. Again cleared by the defense of R-I-BHOI. Ball again goes out of the line. Throw in by East Khasi Hills. Well intercepted by R-I-BHOI district. Moving ahead with the ball, but well cleared by the defense. So R-I-BHOI is substituting. It's an opportunity maybe for R-I-BHOI district, but no, cleared by East Khasi Hills defenders. So now the ball position is East Khasi Hills. Collected by the goalkeeper of R-I-BHOI. aimless shots has been taken. It's going on same for some time now. The ball is in East Khasi Hills hub, intercepted by the East Khasi Hills defenders. So they're moving ahead with the ball now. Good move. And it's some dangerous situations again. The RI-BHOI goalkeeper coming good, very good. She has been outstanding today in the ground. RI-BHOI defenders are standing like a strong wall against the onslaught of the East Khasi Hills. So East Khasi Hills gained a corner kick. Corner kick has been taken. It's a very meek and weak kick. Keeping the position, East Khasi Hills, keeping the position of the ball. They're making good smart moves. While kick and ball goes out of the play, RI-BHOI will take the side kick. The time ends here. The game is level at 0-0. No team could score a goal. So at the end of the playing time, the score stands at 0-0. This match goes into the extra time. The stipulated time, no team could score a goal. So the score stands at 0-0 for Khasi Hills district and RI-BHOI districts. The match evenly poised, played with great enthusiasm and vigor. We saw the caliber of East Khasi Hills girls' forward movement, dribbling skill. Equally matching with them is RI-BHOI district's solid defense and outstanding goalkeeping. Hello. So the match goes to the extra time, and the extra time match is just about to start. So the players are all ready for extra time. River District.
Here we go, here we go, here we play, play again, day and night, night and day. Here we play, play again.
Throw in taken. Direct shot to the goal and straight to the goalkeeper. It was a good shot by the RI-BHOI player, but straight to the hands of the goalkeeper, East KHASI Hills goalkeeper, sorry. First attempt, it was a good attempt. The goalkeeper, Yoliti Fanrang, East KHASI Hills goalkeeper. So the match resumes. Shot taken by East KHASI Hills, intercepted by RI-BHOI players. Losing the position again to the East KHASI Hills girls. The ball goes out of the play. Throw in for East KHASI Hills. Good move. The ball is in the East KHASI Hills corner, but it's cleared. Throw in for RI-BHOI. The ball is in the position of East KHASI Hills. Once again, a good move by East KHASI Hills, but again the RI-BHOI defense coming good. Handball given against East KHASI Hills. It will be a free kick for RI-BHOI. First half of the extra time going on. Again the ball is with East KHASI Hills. A good shot at the D box and again and yet again the wall. The goalkeeper of RI-BHOI district coming so good. She saved another good opportunity from this East KHASI Hills team. Now the RI-BHOI is taking the play to the East KHASI Hills goal side. But again, all good work went in vain. Clearance by the East KHASI Hills defender. It will be a throw-in. Throw-in for RI-BHOI. Fish. It's a rally of throw-ins going on. Again, another throw-in by East KHASI Hills. Good shot. Cleared by East KHASI Hills. The ball goes out of the play. Now it will be a throw-in for RI-BHOI. A wild shot taken by RI-BHOI forward. Ball goes out of the play. Same old stories. No side could keep the possession of the ball. Against a good move by RI-BHOI. But then intercepted by the East KHASI Hills players. Ball has been cleared. So now the ball is with East KHASI Hills players. Again, East KHASI Hills lost the position. Yet again, the defense of RI-BHOI proving too good for the East Khasi Hills forwards. A foul has been awarded to East Khasi Hills against the RI-BHOI. Here comes the end of the first half of the extra time. As we can see, a good crowd braving the cold. All the football enthusiasts have gathered in this PA Sangmai Stadium to witness these final matches of the 5th Meghalaya Games. So the game resumes with the second half of the extra time starting. Ball with the East Khasi Hills. Same old story, the ball goes out of the line and it will be a throw-in. Throw-in for RI-BHOI district. The ball is with the RI-BHOI district now, moving forward, but again headed back by the East Khasi Hills players. Same old story, the ball is playing ping pong between both the teams. Just losing positions with one touch only, and now the ball is okay, well. A slight chance was there for RI-BHOI district, but the forward couldn't reach the ball and it was collected by the goalkeeper of East Khasi Hills. The ball again goes out of the line. It will be a throw-in for RI-BHOI. Now the throw-in for East Khasi Hills. Now the ball is in East Khasi Hills goal side, but it was cleared by the defender. It will be a throw-in for RI-BHOI. The throw-in will be taken by RI-BHOI players. It may be an opportunity for them. The ball is still in the danger zone of the East Khasi Hills. again losing the position to East Khasi Hills. So now the ball is with East Khasi Hills. They are moving forward with the ball. Good move. But no, there are no forwards to receive the. And the ball is cleared by RI-BHOI defenders. Till now, no team has been able to score a goal. The scoreline still reads 0-0. Free kick will be taken by East Khasi Hills. Good ball. Good opportunity, but once again, the goalkeeper Nibani Maring coming good. Again, she thwarted another opportunity for East Khasi Hills. Throw in for East Khasi Hills. So, a player of RI-BHOI team lying on the ground. In the meantime, the ball goes out of the play. A corner has been awarded to East Khasi Hills. At the dying moments of second half of the extra time, corner has been taken by East Khasi Hills straight to the goalkeeper again. The left-footer defender takes the shot. Now the ball is with RI-BHOI, surrounded by many defenders. Now the ball is in the East Khasi Hills. Goldie, but somehow cleared by East Khasi Hills players. RI-BHOI forwards unable to hold the ball. Yeah, golden opportunity for RI-BHOI. RI-BHOI, she took too much time to shoot. What an wasted opportunity. It was a clear-cut opportunity for RI-BHOI. Only the goalkeeper was there to defend to, and it seems both the forward of RI-BHOI and the goalkeeper of East Khasi Hills are lying on the ground. Some sort of injuries, but beautiful defense by goalkeeper of the East Khasi Hills district. So, here ends the second half of the extra time, and the scorecard is still 0-0. So the game goes to penalty shootout. Bullrich. So far, we could see a evenly contested match between RI-BHOI district under 18 girls and East KHASI Hills district's under 18 girls final match, which ended with 0-0 in the stipulated time and another extra time too. And now the game goes to penalty shootout. Both the team played well. We could see good forward move from the East KHASI Hills girls, whereas we saw a very good defense from the RI-BHOI girls. So the referees are taking the ground. This match will be decided on a penalty shootout for girls under 18 finals between RI-BHOI district and East KHASI Hills district. Very interesting match, but no goals scored. The match goes to penalty shootout. We can see East KHASI Hills district in the pink and yellow jersey and RI-BHOI district blue and black jersey. The referee giving instructions to the goalkeepers regarding the rules of penalty shootout, and it seems RI-BHOI district is going to shoot the first shot at the goal. First shot at the goal, and it's a goal. It's a goal for RI-BHOI. So the first shot has been converted into a goal by the RI-BHOI team. The East KHASI Hills is going to take the first shot of their turn, and well saved by this goalkeeper throughout the match. Outstanding performance. She saved the shot from the East KHASI Hills. This goalkeeper, RI-BHOI district, Nibani Maring, saved the first shot. So the RI-BHOI district player is coming for their second shot at the goal. And it's a goal. It's a goal. 2-0. Second shot attempt by East Khasi Hills District. And it's a goal. So it's 2-1. RI-BHOI 2, East Khasi Hills 1. And it's a goal. It's 3-1. RI-BHOI District 3, East Khasi Hills District 1. Another goal saved by this Nibani Maring of RI-BHOI District. What a keeping! Anticipating the ball towards her right. She threw herself and saved the goal. Three shots each has been taken. The scoreline is 3-1. RI-BHOI is all set to take their fourth shot. Oh, good. Well done by Yoliti Fanrang. She shaved one. So it's 3-1. Gusto supporter bang ade? So is Hasil's taking shot and it's a goal. So there is life still in this match. It's 3-2. Oh, beautiful shave. So, interesting position. Now the match is poised at a very interesting juncture. Yuliti Funrang has saved the second shot. So, everything at par. All over again. Save, And this way, the RI-BHOI district defeated East Khasi Hills district via penalty shootout 3-2. 3-2. 3-2. It was a very hard-fought battle, and the goalkeeper of RI-BHOI district, Nibani Maring, showed exemplary skills at the goal. Throughout the match, she saved several attempts by the East Khasi Hills, and she saved 2 direct shots in the penalty shootout, whereas Miss Yoliti Phandram also saved 2, but their shooters missed one by shooting the ball way outside the goal, and this way RI-BHOI district lifted girls under 18 finals by defeating East Khasi Hills 3-2 in the penalty shootout. So we can see the medal ceremony going on in now. The medals to the winners and the runners-up of this under 18 girls final. The dignitaries in the field are our honorable speaker, Sri Thomas A. Sangma, and then our PHA Minister, Marcus N. Marak. Medals will be presented by them and other Tura Football Association and District Football Association dignitaries are also there. As we know, RI-BHOI district girls, under 18 girls defeated East. So the medal has been awarded by Mr. Gino A. Sangma, President, Football Association, District Football Association. So we can see Mr. Gino A. Sangma awarding the player from East KHASI Hills district. So Mr. Gino A. Sangma awarding another award to the player of East KHASI Hills district. As we can see, the winners, this is bronze medals. Being awarded to West KHASI Hills district, East West KHASI Hills district. Eastern West KHASI Hills districts. Given the bronze medal by the President of Meghalaya Football Association. So these Bronze medals are being presented to the players of Eastern West Khasi district by President of Meghalaya Football Association. Now, the silver medals, runners-up medals will be awarded to East Khasi Hills by Honorable PHE Minister Sri Marcus N. Marak. Runners-up silver medals to East Khasi Hills under 18 girls final. These medals are being awarded to the players by Sri Marcus N. Marak, Honorable PHE Minister and MLA William Nagar. Now, the gold medal to the winners, RI-BHOI district, girls under 18 team. The champions are receiving their gold medals from Honorable Speaker, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and MLA Tura North, Sri Thomas A. Sangmaji. Honorable Speaker, Sri Thomas A. Sangmaji, presenting the gold medals to the winners, the winning team RI-BHOI girls under 18 team. We can hear the big shouts from the audience cheering for their team RI-BHOI. It seems great fan followings are there even in Tura for this RI-BHOI district. Now the champions are called upon the stage with the champions board to celebrate their victory with photographs with the dignitaries showing their medals with great enthusiasm. We can see enthusiastic girls, many of them biting their gold medals under their teeth. And here comes the cheer. This is the pure joy of winning. A hard-fought battle they won. Bringing laurels to their own district, RI-BHOI. Great celebrations from the under 18 girls, a very joyous, happy after winning the gold medals in under 18 girls. So after this, another final is taking place. Under 18 boys between RI-BHOI district versus West Jaintia Hills district. So we can see our honorable speaker, Sri Thomas A. Sangmaji, enjoying these matches with his family. So next match will be the final of under 18 boys, which will be played between RI-BHOI versus West Jaintia Hills. After the finals played between RI-BHOI and East KHASI Hills under 18 girls, now we are going to witness under 18 boys final between RI-BHOI district and West Jaintia Hills district. The stadium is packed. All the football enthusiasts of Tura and Garo Hills are here. Even the athletes from other parts, they are also here to cheer up for their respective teams. Boys under 18 finals. We can see the FIFA flag carried by the volunteer boys.